Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make a like this subscribe animation for your YouTube videos on Wondershare Filmora. Let's get this started. First you have to click on the link in the description. When you go to the link you will come to here. In here you will see two subscribe animation. One is green screen and one is with blue screen. If your logo have light color like yellow color, green color like that, so you have to download blue screen. If your logo color is goes with black, brown color, blue color like that, so you have to download green screen one. And there you can see verification button. For download this you have to click on these three dots and here you will see download and click on start download. Then your download will be start. So you have to download right subscribe animation and the verification button. After download this you can open Filmora. Now you can see I have opened Filmora. I have imported my footages also. So first of all you have to import your subscribe animation to the bottom layer like this. And you have to import white color also. Find white colors, you have to go to sample colors and scroll down. In here you will see white color and drag and drop this here. Make sure you have to resize this length to your subscribe animation length and double click on there, and now you have to resize it. With this white color box we have to fill this blue color hole in here. After that you have to import your logo for here and drag and drop your logo for the up layer which is up to the white color one, and there also you have to resize the length and resize your logo also for here. After that we have to add our YouTube channel name for here. If you are going to add the description also for your YouTube channel like this, so you have to manage your space. So now we are going to add our YouTube channel name. So for that you have to go to titles and here you have to choose the title what you like and add this layer for here. Now double click on your title timeline and here you have to type your YouTube channel name and go to advanced. Now in here you can change the text size, text font like that also, and you can bold your YouTube channel name and italic it. Make those up to your preference. After set those you have to resize this to your subscribe animation like this, and now you have to change this text color also. For that you can see here color. Click on this drop down arrow and choose here the color what you like this and click on OK. Now you can see color has changed and resize this as you want. Now I want to add a description for my subscribe animation like this. So now I have to click on this button. Then you will see there's another timeline. So I can type a small description for my subscribe animation like this and resize and customize this as I told earlier. After set those you have to click on OK. Now you can see my subscribe animation has set up. Now I have to add a verification button for here. For this make sure you have to come to the end of your timeline like this, and now you can drag and drop your verification badge for here like this and resize the length of this also, and now resize your verification badge and drag and drop near to your YouTube channel name. Now you have to resize this like this. After set up your subscribe animation, before render it you have to click on render preview like this. After that you can export your subscribe animation. Now I will show you how to add my subscribe animation to this video. So I have to import my subscribe animation also for here. Now you can see this is my subscribe animation and have to drag and drop your subscribe animation to the place what you want. After drag and drop it, right click on your subscribe animation and there you can see green screen. When you click on this you will see this, and there you can see something like a pen, and click on it and come to your monitor. Right click on it. Now you can see the green screen has removed. So you have to do the same process for the green screen also. Now we can watch a preview of this. Now this is our final output. Hope you enjoyed the video and got something from my video. So please consider to subscribe my YouTube channel and tap on the bell icon for get notification about my new videos. And don't forget to like and share this video and comment your ideas about the video.